Hi friends, this is Narayana. So we started recently 0 to Python Hero 1000 plus Python programs. So if you watch all the programs, I am sure that you will become a hero in Python very soon, guys. Okay. Now let's make a program that is generating the electricity bill. Means so we ask user enter consumed units. On that one we generate the amount. So here first what we do. First, up to 100 units, it is free. Means no amount for first 100 units. Next one, the next 100 units means 101 to 200. For unit, it is only 2 rupees only. And after 200 rupees, so after 200 units, that will be per unit 5 rupees. So about 200 units, how much per unit we have to pay? 5 rupees. So this is the calculation we have to do now. So first 1 to 100 0, 101 to 200 per unit 2 rupees, and about 200 it may be 300, whatever it is, per unit to pay the only 5 rupees only. Okay. So now for this one let's make a program. So first right now copy and paste the same requirement in our Python file, so that by seeing this one we can create a program. So first what we do, we should take a data from the user, that means number of units. Okay, so enter number of units into a variable called the units variable. Okay, or otherwise if units, so I'm renaming it one, I'm using as a consumed units, taking as consumed units. If consumed units suppose less than 100 or less than equal to 100, amount how much you have to pay? 0 amount only. Okay, suppose this month I consumed only 50 units, means 0. Next one, consumed units less than equal to 200. Then how much you have to pay? First 100 is the free, and 101 to 200 you have to calculate the amount. Okay, suppose now 150 is there. First 100 is the free, and for even 50 only we have to calculate 2 rupees per unit. That's why, so consumed units means 100. What is 100 here? First 100 I am deducting. How much remaining? 50 will be there. That 50 into will take into, then how much? 2 rupees, because per unit 2 rupees only, right? That is the final amount. Okay, suppose next one it is above 200, right? Now if it is above 200, if consumed units greater than 200, above 200 means so what we do, let's take suppose 220 units. Out of 220, first 100 is the free, next 100 is the 2 rupees per unit, and after 200 over, then 5 rupees per unit, right? So let's take now 100 is free, next 100 into 2 units, and the remaining how much is there? Remaining 20 will be there, right? For the 20 will take how much here? 5 rupees. So 100 free, 100 into 2, and then 20 into how much here? 5 rupees. Okay, so for that one, first that free keep aside. Next to 100 is how much now? Into 2, right? So 100 into 2 and plus remaining means what? 100 plus 100, 200, that is minus from where? Consumed units, right? That's why consumed units minus 200 into how much now? 5 rupees. Okay, into 5 rupees here. So first 100 is the 0, right? That's not taking here. Next 100 is the 2 rupees, and consumed units from there, if you deduct first 100, second 100, the remaining will come, right? That into 5. This is the final amount. Okay, all right. Now finally I am displaying the how much amount you have to pay. You consumed that number of units, so you need to pay that amount. I am taking now format of what is the consumed units here, that one comma, and final amount. Okay, now run the program. So first comment the previous program. Now I run the program here. Suppose let me give some number, for example some 50 I am giving now. 50, how much you have to pay? 0 amount, right? If you give the 50, we have to pay how much now? 0 amount only. 80 also 0. Why? It is below 100, right? So 0. I am giving now 120. 120 means if is false. If in if so it is true. In that one 100 is the free, and remaining into 2, that is 40. Next I am giving 230. In 230, 100 is the free, 100 into 2, and then remaining how much now? 30. 30 into 5 rupees, right? Let's calculate here. Total units 230, and first second 100 units into 2 rupees. First 100 is 0, that keep aside. Second 100 into 2 rupees. Okay, plus remaining how much is there? Remaining 30 will be there, right? So 100 over and 200 over. Remaining into 30. 30 into 5. So 200 plus how much here? 150. That is 350 is the amount if you consume 230 units. Okay, thank you.